بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Why Jannah Institute? It's by a woman for a woman. You have the subhanAllah, we're blessed with so many amazing scholars, so many sisters that are so talented, and I feel like Dr. Haifa is one of those resources that we need to take advantage of.
It's just khair upon khair, subhanallah, and I can't stop. It started with once a week class, and then subhanallah, Allah put barakah in time, Allah put the motivation.
Some days when I get busy doing tasks, I look back at the day and I look at where's the barakah in my day, and it's the class just makes me feel like I've done the right thing. I'm running out of time. I'm getting older. I've spent the right time learning Quran, spending time with the students and the teacher.
And one of the things that really gets my attention in every one of the courses and lectures is that Dr. Haifa and the other teachers leave you with action items. So they tell you, what to do and what to implement in your daily life.
The teachers that I needed at the time, at that stage of my learning, when I needed them, they just appeared. The most highly qualified teachers, the teachers that I probably would never have imagined meeting otherwise.
I don't know, it fills my heart with happiness.
I encourage all sisters in all stages of life to, as Dr. Haifa says, you're worth it. Invest in your Islamic education.
I invite all my friends, all my sisters in Islam to experience this. You just have to experience it to know it.
Ask Allah to put inside your heart the love of Him, the love of His words, the love of learning. Ask Him to make it easy. Ask Him to keep you strong and steadfast. And I can assure you, Allah will never let you down.